In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the CapCut error image problem step by step, including black screen issues, import failures, and media lost errors. If you've been dealing with images not showing properly, files refusing to import, or red clips appearing on the timeline, this guide will help you get everything working again fast. And before we get into it, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another quick fix tutorial. Let's jump right in. First, let's fix the black screen issue in CapCut. Open CapCut and go to the menu. Then click Settings, and then open Performance. Inside the Performance settings, you'll want to turn off Speed Up Hardware Encoding. After that, turn off Render Interface with GPU as well. These two options can sometimes cause display problems, especially when working with image files or certain system configurations. Once both options are disabled, save your changes and restart CapCut. This restart is important because it lets the program reload with the new settings applied. After reopening CapCut, check whether your image issue is gone. If the screen is now displaying correctly, that means the hardware accelerator settings were likely the cause. Now let's move on to the second issue, which is import failure. If CapCut is refusing to import an image, the problem may be with the file extension or the file name itself. Start by checking the image file format. If your file ends in .webp or .jfif, rename it to .png. This simple change can help CapCut recognize the file properly. Just make sure the image is actually compatible, because changing the extension only works when the file can be opened as an image type. Next, clean up the file name. Remove any emojis, symbols, or special characters from the file name. Sometimes CapCut has trouble reading files with unusual characters, so keeping the name simple can prevent import errors. After that, go back into CapCut, open Settings, then Performance, and click the Cache Trash icon to clear the cache. Clearing cache can remove temporary corrupted data that may be blocking the image from loading correctly. Once the cache is cleared, try importing the file again. In many cases, this alone solves the problem. Now for the third issue, the media lost error. If you see a red clip on the timeline, that usually means CapCut has lost the link to your original image file. To fix this, right-click the red timeline clip and choose Link to Media. Then browse to your image file and select it again. This reconnects the missing media to the project without having to rebuild your edit from scratch. Once the file is relinked, the clip should return to normal and the red warning should disappear. This is especially useful if you move files around on your computer or rename them after importing them into CapCut. So, to quickly recap, if you have a black screen, disable hardware encoding and GPU rendering in performance settings, then restart CapCut. If you have import failures, rename unsupported extensions, remove special characters from the file name, and clear the cache. And if you have a media lost error, relink the file from the red timeline clip. These three fixes solve most CapCut image errors without needing a full reinstall. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more CapCut tutorials, and share this with anyone who's facing the same issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.